how to make my sweet sourdough pancakes. For these ingredients, you need all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, 2 cups of potato sourdough starter, or any sourdough starter that's at least 50% flour and 50% liquid. Egg, any liquid fat like avocado, vegetable, grapeseed oil, or for added flavor, melted butter or melted coconut oil. And vanilla, you could also add almond extract. In a large mixing bowl, whisk dry ingredients, flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and sugar. In another bowl, whisk wet ingredients, sourdough discard, egg, liquid fat, and vanilla. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients. Pour in wet ingredients and whisk until combined. Heat a large skillet on high. When water droplets sizzle, then turn down the heat to medium. Test the heat with 1 pancake by spraying the skillet with cooking spray and ladling about 1/4 cup of batter in the skillet. Adjust the heat as pancake cooks. Heat is adjusted. Now add 3 pancakes at a time. Continue to cook pancakes, adjusting heat as you go, and store cooked pancakes in 200-degree oven until all are cooked. Flip pancakes when bubbles stop forming and batter looks dry. Last batch! This recipe makes 12 to 13 medium-sized pancakes. Time to decorate. Stack up a few, add some fruit, sprinkle on powdered sugar, and pour over maple syrup. Enjoy!